Hey guys, I tested a lot of digital oscilloscopes and picked the best ones. All links are in the video description and detailed reviews for each model are on my website. Now let's check out the top 10. Number 1. FNIRSI 4-in-1 Tablet Oscilloscope, 350 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, dual channel, $267. Second place, Handtech Digital Oscilloscope, 150 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, 8 megabytes memory, 25 MHz signal generator, $188. Third, FNRSI 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope, 100 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, built-in DDS signal generator, anti-burn protection, $149. Fourth, 3-in-1 Smart Oscilloscope, 120 MHz bandwidth, 250 megasamples per second sampling rate, true RMS multimeter and signal generator, $143. Fifth, FNRSI 3-in-1 Desktop Oscilloscope, 100 MHz bandwidth, 500 megasamples per second sampling rate, 19,999 counts, true RMS multimeter, $149. Sixth, OWAN Digital Storage Oscilloscope, 100 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, 7-inch TFT display, math functions and FFT, $239. Seventh, Zoe 3-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope, 50 MHz bandwidth, 280 megasamples per second sampling rate, 25,000 counts, true RMS multimeter, $85. Eighth, FNRSI Touchscreen Digital Oscilloscope, 100 MHz bandwidth, 1 gigasample per second sampling rate, 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, $120. Ninth, Tooltop Portable Oscilloscope, 120 MHz bandwidth, 500 megasamples per second sampling rate, dual channel, rugged handheld design, $84. And 10th, FNRSI Touchscreen 3-in-1 Oscilloscope, 100 MHz bandwidth, 500 megasamples per second sampling rate, $176. All links to the tools are in the video description. Detailed reviews, pros and cons for each model are on my website. Thanks for watching.